Imagine an age where your favorite dishes are not just handcrafted by skilled chefs, but also meticulously curated by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the world of revolutionary recipes, where AI meets cuisine to transform the culinary landscape. This fascinating fusion isn't just about concocting new flavors, but rethinking how we create, enjoy, and even nourish ourselves with food. In this video, we'll explore the intriguing possibilities that emerge when AI steps onto the culinary stage, revolutionizing our kitchens and dining experiences. Let us begin by understanding the catalyst behind this innovation. AI, increasingly integrated into various sectors, has found its way into gastronomy, offering efficiencies and insights previously unimaginable. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data rapidly provides chefs and home cooks alike with unique opportunities. AI can suggest ingredient combinations based on nutritional value, dietary preferences, or simply to enhance flavor profiles. But how exactly does this work, and what benefits does it bring to our plates? Central to this culinary transformation is AI's capacity to analyze global culinary databases. These databases are repositories of traditional recipes, local delicacies, and modern experiments. AI systems can process these vast collections, recognize patterns, and predict outcomes. They can recommend the optimal time and temperature for cooking specific dishes, ensuring consistency and perfection each time. Imagine crafting the perfect soufflé without the fear of it collapsing or cooking steak that's always just right. AI doesn't just replicate existing recipes. It innovates. It forges new paths in flavor exploration. By comprehending and utilizing data on molecular gastronomy, AI can suggest unconventional ingredient pairings that hint at new taste sensations, adding variety to even the most familiar meals. Ever thought of pairing chocolate with blue cheese? AI might suggest it based on flavor compound analyses, revealing combinations that delight and surprise. Beyond flavors, AI plays a significant role in promoting healthier eating habits. It can tailor meals to individual dietary needs, whether reducing sugar intake, boosting certain nutrients, or accommodating allergies. By calculating precise nutritional information, AI can assist in planning meals that align with personal health goals and lifestyles, ensuring that each bite is both delicious and beneficial. Take allergen avoidance, for instance. AI can analyze recipes and identify potential allergens or suggest viable substitutes, making beloved dishes accessible to individuals with dietary restrictions. This ensures inclusivity and safety without compromising on taste or experience. Moreover, AI's contribution extends beyond personalization and innovation. It's also a sustainable ally. With increasing awareness of environmental impacts, AI aids in reducing food waste by optimizing ingredient use. It can provide recommendations on how to use leftovers creatively or suggest more sustainable ingredient alternatives, supporting both ecological balance and economic efficiency. On a larger scale, AI assists professional chefs by automating repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on creativity and presentation. In bustling high-end kitchens, AI-controlled devices handle intricate cooking processes with precision, ensuring high standards while saving time and minimizing human error. However, the marriage of AI and culinary arts brings forth more than just technical benefits. It raises questions for the future. What role will human intuition and artistry play in a world where AI suggests recipes? Will we lose touch with traditional methods in favor of algorithm-driven creations? The answer lies in balance. AI enhances, not replaces, human culinary endeavors. It collaborates with chefs who bring intuition, cultural depth, and emotional connection to the table, qualities that data cannot replicate. Together, they push the boundaries of culinary arts, creating experiences that honor tradition while embracing innovation. In conclusion, the intersection of AI and cuisine signifies a progressive era in the food industry. It offers exciting prospects, improving culinary creativity, enhancing personal health, and promoting sustainability. As we embrace these advancements, it is essential to remember the value of human touch and cultural heritage, ensuring that technology complements rather than overtakes our culinary journey. As we savor this blend of tradition and technology, the possibilities are endless, encouraging us to explore, innovate, and enjoy what we love most: delicious, meaningful food. Thank you for joining us on this exploratory adventure into the world of AI-driven gastronomy. Until next time, bon appetit!